Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cotton candy inspired look, as you can see, and go ahead and click the like and subscribe button before I start so that you don't forget. So tune in to see how I created this beautiful look, and I really hope you'll enjoy it. Okay guys, so we're going to start with our brows like always, and we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade and Taupe. And you want to brush up the hairs of your eyebrows so that you can really see where the root of those eyebrow hairs are, because that's where you want to outline. So next we're going to brush the eyebrow hairs down so that you can see where the shape of it is. I try to go with the natural shape of my brow, so I just kind of outline where the hairs start. After you have them filled in, you want to use a spoolie and just kind of brush it. Now let me get that other eyebrow done real quick. Now we have the eyebrows done, so it's time to prime the eyes. And yesterday I did a really colorful waterfall eye look and it stained my eyes pink. So that's why it's a little bit pink on these lids. I could not get the rest of the pink to come off. And I'm actually really upset because that was a gorgeous look and I was so nervous to do it. I thought it was going to take too long and I wouldn't have the storage on my phone to video it. So I didn't video it and it only ended up taking like 2 hours and it turned out really good. So I'm kind of like kicking myself for not videoing, but yeah, so that happened. So we're gonna go ahead and prime the eye with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the James Charles palette. Let's get a good look at it. And we're gonna go in with the shade right here that's called Punch Me, and we are gonna do it just in the crease area. Okay, now that we have that one on, we're gonna go in with the shade T, which is this brown up here. We are going to cut the crease. Okay, now that we've cut the crease, I'm gonna go in with this darker blue, which is called Playground, and I'm gonna put it on the outer half. And then I'm gonna put this inside one, this lighter shimmery blue called Hello. Is that what it's called? Yes, it's called Hello. I'm gonna put it on the inner half of the eye. I'm gonna use this Milani setting spray and spray my brush with it. So this color kind of reminds me of like a Cinderella blue. Okay, and now that we have the blue on, because it's cotton candy themed and we have the blue, I'm gonna go in with this NYX Vivid Brights and I'm gonna line it, but then I'm also gonna do the black line underneath it. Like I just want that little peak of pink at the top. I'm gonna do another layer of the pink just to define it up a little bit. Have the pink on here, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe felt tip eyeliner. Okay, I don't think the liner is gonna get any better than this, so I'm not fully pleased with how the pink came out. Let me get my other eye on real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we have both eyes done. I like the way it looks, even though the wings aren't exactly perfect. But now we're going to go ahead and do the face. So I'm going to take my Mineral Touch Liquid Foundation in Organza, shake it up a little bit because it does have a tendency to get liquidy if you don't mix it. the foundation on, we're going to use a little bit of the HD NYX Cosmetics Pro Conceal. About to do some highlight and I just want it to hold a little bit better. So now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and Powder for the light medium, and I'm going to use this shade right here. Quick with the James Charles palette to do our under eye colors, and I'm gonna go in with this pink right here and then this one as well, and those shades are called Skip and Pinkity Drinkity. So we're gonna go in with Skip first, which is the brighter pink. So now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Dipbrow Gel and Taupe. And now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. And I'm going to use this white shade, Santorini, mixed with this pink shade right here, which is Ibiza. And now we are to our final step, which is lashes. So today I'm going to be using Lunar Angel Lashes in style Kandi, because it's a cotton candy inspired look and I thought that was just like punny. But yes, this is one of my favorite lashes of all time, and it is from Lunar Angel Lashes, who I'm a promoter for. I will leave you their link as well as my code in the description. So I'm going to go ahead and prep the lashes by curling them. And I'm going to use the Younique Moonstruck Mascara. Now that we have our layer on, you're going to get your eyelash and kind of bend it like this and put yourself a thin layer of glue and wait 30 to 45 seconds for it to dry before you decide to put it on your eye. So that was a struggle, but I got my lash on, so let me get this other one on real quick, guys. Okay, so my other lash is on. We are gonna put on some lipstick real quick, and we're gonna use the MAC Please Me. The setting spray I've been using is the Milani Make It Last. I like it. It smells amazing. But this is our final look, guys. What do y'all think? Let me give y'all a close-up of the eyes. I really hope y'all enjoyed this look, because I didn't really know where I was going with it. I knew I wanted to use the pink and the blue because cotton candy, but it turned out a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. But if y'all could leave a comment at the bottom, hit the like and subscribe button, and double click it if you want to get notifications for when I post. I would really appreciate it. All of the products are going to be in the description, along with the link to this lash website and my code, which is Michelle, so that y'all can go grab a pair and get a discount. They're actually doing a restock soon, so if y'all want to go grab some, y'all should probably go check on when that pre-order date is so that y'all can get them before they're gone. But thank y'all for joining me. I really hope y'all like it, and don't forget to hit the like button.